Did you know that phone chargers make noise too?
Here, we have a special microphone and an echo chamber can measure extremely low sound that our ear cannot hear. This anechoic room is the first and only one in Vietnam. The room has a very special structure with 1 meter thickness wall that completely isolates sound from the outside, as well as absorbs 100% sound transmitted to subway inside room. Monitoring microphones imported from Germany, US, with high accuracy, a range of less than 0.1 dB, with a diameter smaller than the size of a finger, but that value equal to a SS motorbike. Using special microphones to measure noise emitted from electronic device, which provides the most accurate parameter, ensure checks requirements for noise testing when electronic companies want to export to international markets such as the US and Europe. If you want to measure the electronic technology device, please contact me.